During 2025, PyroGenesis conducted a major study in conjunction with our clients Rio Tinto and Alcoa, which examined the use of plasma torches as a heating source in aluminum casting and melting furnaces, with the goal of reducing their carbon footprint. Here's what we did. A pilot furnace was set up at one of our facilities in Montreal. The same furnace is used by our clients to replicate the processes of an industrial aluminum cast house, preparing various aluminum alloys. Over several months, furnace technicians from our clients, along with PyroGenesis engineers, operated this furnace in two configurations, as a casting furnace and as a melting furnace. We tested the impact of furnace electrification in both operating modes by replacing the furnace's natural gas burners with a PyroGenesis plasma torch. Data collection and analysis was focused on key criteria, including heating efficiency, which relates to the amount of energy used during the operation, cycle time, which impacts the duration of operations and productivity, the quality of the metal produced, and, most importantly, the amount of dross generated. Dross being the layer of material that forms on top of molten aluminum when in contact with oxygen. This layer must be constantly removed as a waste product. But since the dross contains a percentage of valuable aluminum, it needs to be processed at a significant expense. In the next video, I'll tell you how that testing campaign went and outline the specific results. See you then.